Salut et bienvenue sur French Lover. Hello and welcome to French Lover. Diana is here. Moi c'est Diana. In the last class we learned interrogations. So if you have any other question, let me know. Or if you want to know more on a topic you were taught but you're not more clear, let me know. I've been told by many students that I make things easy. Okay, but I have a easier solution to how to know things because French has many rules and many exceptions. Okay, today we are going to learn possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Les adjectives possessive. In English, they are my pen, my book, my money, your, his or her, are, your, and then dear. And we know the French people won't make it that easy for you because they have masculine and feminine and then plural for each of these. But don't be afraid. Remember, I make things easy. Let's start. My for the masculine is mon, M-O-N, mon. My pen, mon stylo, mon. Okay, for every noun that is masculine, you use mon. Masculine singular, mon. For the feminine, for my, you use ma. Ma. Ma chaise, my chair. Ma gomme, my eraser. Ma maison, my house. Again, ma règle, my ruler. For the plural, you use me. And yes, no mess, please. Me. Okay, a plural doesn't care if it's masculine or feminine. It just goes with it. So, mes stylo, my pants, with an S. Mes chiens, my dogs. Mes chaises, my chairs. Mes enfants, my children. Okay, so it doesn't really care if a noun is masculine or feminine as long as it's in the plural form. The my is me. Okay, me doesn't care whether it's feminine or masculine. The next one is your, like your pen, your house, your money. I do like money, okay? So send me if you have. Ton for masculine, ton, ton stylo, your pen. Ton argent, your money. Ton cahier, your book. Ton livre, your textbook or your book as a novel. Ton sac, your bag. Okay, now the feminine for your is ta. Ta. Ta maison, your house. Ta chaise, your chair. Ta robe, your gown. Ta nièce, your niece. Ta mère, your mother. Ta sœur, your sister. Ta fenêtre, your window. I'm just mentioning things now, okay? So ta, a feminine singular. Then plural is te. T-E-S. Te. Remember, I told you the plural doesn't care whether it's masculine or feminine as long as it's plural. Tes sœurs, your sisters. Tes frères, your brothers. Tes stylos, your pens. Tes crayons, your pencils. Tes sacs, your bags. Tes cheveux, your hair. Tes parents, your parents. Okay. So the next one, his, her. His, her. Of course, his is song. His, song, masculine. And then her is sa, feminine. Song, sa. Son ami, his friend. son stylo, his pen, son argent, his money, son what again? Son cahier, his book, I don't have many masculine things coming in my head now. Anyway, son, masculine. Sa, feminine, meaning her. Sa fille, her girl child or her daughter. Sa maison, her house. Sa copine, her friend. Sa sœur, her sister. Sa maman, her mother. Sa chaussure, her shoes. Sa main, her hand. Okay, plural, c'est. S-E-S, c'est. Remember, plural doesn't care whether it's masculine or feminine as long as it's plural. Ses chaussures, her shoes, ses amis, her friends, ses cahiers, her books, ses stylos, his or her pens. The next one are. Told you say can be used for both feminine and masculine, meaning his or her. Okay, so are, it gets easy at this level. Are, notre for both masculine and feminine. Notre chien, our dog. Notre stylo, our pen. Notre maison, our house. Notre frère, our brother. Notre chambre, our room. Okay, now if it's plural, is no. Please, not nose. No, N-O-S, no. The S is silent. Nos chiens, our dogs. Okay, many dogs. Nos parents, our parents. Okay, nos maisons, our houses. Many houses. Okay, nos argent, our monies. Yes, nos sac, our bags. Okay, and then your, the plural your. Okay, votre chambre, your room. Many people own in one room. Votre maison, your house. Votre sœur, your sister. That's many people having one sister. Votre assiette, your plate. Many, yeah, only one plate. Votre lit, your bed. Many people sleeping on one bed or having one bed. Votre, je sais pas, votre chat, your cat. Many people owning one cat. Okay, plural is vos, not vos or vos. Vos, V-O-S. Vos chiens, your dogs. Many people owning many dogs. Okay, vos maisons. Many people owning many houses. Vos chambres, your rooms. Many people having many rooms. Okay. The next is dia. Dia, meaning leur. Dia is leur. Dia mother, leur mère. Many people talking about one mother. Leur mère, dia mother. Okay, leur père, dia father. Okay, so that's it. Okay, dia leur mère, dia mother. Many people having one mother. Le père, dia father. Many people having one father, referring to one father. Leur maison, dia house. Many people referring to one house. Okay, so the plural of leur is leur. See with an S. Leur, L-E-U-R-S. Leurs parents, their parents. This time, many people referring to many parents. Okay, leur maison, their houses. Many people referring to many houses. Okay, so this is the trick. There are two rules to note in possessive adjective. Yes, I know French and their rules. The first one is nouns that starts with a vowel. That's A, E, I, O, U, and an H. French you add H. You use only the masculine side of it. You use only mon, ton, son, then notre, votre, leur. You use just the masculine side. If it's singular, the masculine side. For example, ami. Ami, A-M-I. That's masculine, right? Meaning friend. Ami. So if I want to say my friend, I will say mon ami. Mon ami, right? Mon ami, mon ami. Okay, my friend. Masculine is understandable. But ami, A-M-I-E, meaning friend, but this time for the feminine. If you want to say my friend, okay, I won't say ma ami because ami is feminine. No. Since it started with the vowel sound, letter A, I will still say mon ami. I will still use the masculine side of it. So any noun that starts with a vowel, use the masculine sign of it if it's in the singular form. If it's in the plural form, I told you the plural form don't care if it's masculine or feminine. You use it for all of them. For both masculine and feminine, as long as it's in the plural form. Now, this rule goes just for singular nouns that start with a vowel. You use just the masculine sign of the possessive adjective. Let me change it. Money, argent, A-R-G-E-N-T, argent, mon argent, my money, mon argent, my money. Which one again? Okay, so that's rule number 1. Rule number 2, okay, this is where I give you the trick on how to use it. So the masculine mon, ton, son, ma, ta, sa, okay, mon, ton, son, ma, ta, sa, feminine. That's is for circle those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mon, ton, son, ma, ta, sa. Beside you write one thing, one person. That's one person referring to one thing. Mon ami, my friend. One person talking about one friend. Mon stylo. One person talking about one pen. Ma maison. One person talking about one house. Okay? So right beside one person, one thing. Now for me, te, se, circulate on their own. Me, te, se. Beside you write one person, many things. One person, many things. Meaning that one person talking about many things. Okay? So my pens. One person talking about many pens. Okay? Mes stylo. Mes stylo. Still one person, okay? But talking about many things this time. Now, notre, votre, leur. Notre, votre, leur. Circulate and then beside write many people, one thing. Many people, one thing. Meaning many people talking about just one thing. Okay? The common one. Notre chien. Notre chien. Our dog. Many people owning just one dog. Notre chien. Our dog. Notre maison. Our house. Many people owning just one house. Okay? So many people, one thing. Now, for nos, vos, leur, circulate, okay, and beside you write many people owning many things or talking about many things, okay. The same example, nos maisons, nos maisons, our houses, many people referring to many things, okay. Nos chiens, our dogs. Many people owning many dogs. Okay, so that's the difference with notre votre leur. Notre votre leur is just many people talking about one thing. While nos voleurs is many people talking about many things. Okay, so in the mon, ton, son, matasa, one person, one thing. Metase, one person, many things. Notre votre many people, one thing. Nos voleurs, many people, talking about many things. Okay, if you can master that, then you're good to go. Okay, now let me add this. Whenever you want to use the possessive adjective, you don't think about who is talking, so you won't confuse the gender. You think about what you are talking about. Okay, I can be a girl and I'll still say mon frère, meaning my brother. I won't say ma frère because I'm feminine or because I'm a girl. No, the brother is masculine, so I will use mon frère. Okay, so the person talking is not the one determining the gender. What determines the gender is what or who they are talking about. If you can cram this, then you are good to go. If you have further questions, let me know. Try doing an exercise or writing some examples below in the comment so that I will check. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share.